sound. Take a moment to truly arrive. Allow your body to be supported by the surface beneath you and the space around you. There is nothing you need to do, nothing to achieve, nothing to hold together. Let your awareness begin to turn inward. Begin by noticing sound. Not listening for anything in particular, simply allowing sound to arrive. Sounds close to you. Sounds further away. And beneath those, the subtle hum of life itself, the vibration that is present even in stillness. Allow your breath to settle into that vibration. Each inhale gathering gently, each exhale softening, releasing, inhaling and exhaling. You are not listening to sound. You are listening within it. The threshold. In your inner awareness, imagine yourself standing in a quiet, in-between space. A place that is not quite a place. A moment that is not bound by time. Ahead of you, something begins to form. Not an image at first, but a vibration. A deep, steady tone, felt more than heard. This vibration gathers. It becomes a portal. Not made of light, but resonance. The sound feels ancient and intimately familiar. It recognizes you. As you move closer, notice how the vibration subtly adjusts, tuning itself to your breath, your heartbeat, your nervous system. There is no effort required. When you are ready, allow yourself to pass through, carried through by sound.